थिएटर में आए या नहीं आए, बट जॉन, इमी, एवरीबडी वांटेड आफ्टर सीइंग द फिल्म कि ये फिल्म थिएटर में आनी चाहिए. सो वी आर वेरी वेरी एक्साइटेड टू कम बैक टू द थिएटर्स एंड ऑल द बेस्ट टू ऑल ऑफ अस कि ये फिल्म हमारी बहुत अच्छी पसंद आए लोग.
I think we're also very, very lucky to have a producer this gutsy who took the call. I know what is behind this. I know the kind of risk he has taken, and we are all praying that definitely for the film, but more for him, it should pay off.
Inshallah, bilkul hoga. Questions from the press. John, Amy, why don't you guys sit down? It'll be easier, no? Yeah?
जॉन
Okay.
एंड इमरान, आपके लेफ्ट में जैसा कि भूषण जी ने बताया कि एंड अब हम देख भी रहे हैं कि पिछले 1 सालों से तकरीबन सिनेमा घरों में शोर मचना बंद हो गया था, तो अब ये बहुत बड़ी जिम्मेदारी है आप लोगों के ऊपर, और पैंडेमिक के बाद अब फर्स्ट ये बड़े पैमाने पर ये फिल्म रिलीज होगी. सो इमरान जी,
शोर तो मचेगा ना.
जी बिल्कुल.
आपने देखा नहीं गाना?
हाँ जी बिल्कुल बिल्कुल.
तो हम बहुत ही ऑप्टिमिस्टिक हैं. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, गुड आफ्टरनून एवरीवन. Thank you for coming here today. This is a very, very special day. यहाँ पे इस तरह एक थिएटर में इतने टाइम
एक तरह से कॉन्फिडेंस आ जाएगा इंडस्ट्री में. तो आप लोगों की मदद चाहिए इसमें, एंड मैं चाहता हूँ आप लोग टिकट खरीद के फिल्म देखें, बिकॉज इट्स आई थिंक इट्स अ वाटरशेड इवेंट यार. पैंडेमिक के बाद एक फिल्म आ रही है, टिकट जाके खरीदो, जाओ फिल्म देखो. यू मिस्ड दिस फॉर एन एंटायर ईयर, और आई थिंक इट्स एवरीवन्स ब्लड, स्वेट एंड टीयर्स, और जो पूरा एवरीवन हैज वर्कड सो हार्ड एंड इट्स गोइंग टू बेयर फ्रूट ऑन द 19th of March. सो या.
जॉन, सिनेमा घरों में शोर मचे, इसकी जिम्मेदारी है आपके ऊपर, सो आपका पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू.
मेरे ऊपर. I think yeah, absolutely, like what Imran said, ये first of all congratulations and thank you to Bhushan Kumar for really taking the step. ये we know what a big risk it is, लेकिन we are also very optimistic कि people will come. जैसे आपने टेस्ट मैच भी देखा, लोग आए थे वहाँ पे इन द स्टेडियम. सो वी आर होपिंग पीपल कम. ऑफ कोर्स प्रोटोकॉल मेंटेन करना बहुत ज़रूरी है, बट आई फील पीपल विल कम एंड वॉच अ फिल्म लाइक दिस. और जैसे संजय का, इमरान ने भी कहा, दिस इज अ बिग स्क्रीन एक्सपीरियंस. एवरी फिल्म कांट रिलीज ऑन OTT. ओके, प्लेटफॉर्म्स के लिए मेरा बहुत रिस्पेक्ट है, आई रिस्पेक्ट देम अ लॉट, बट देयर आर सर्टेन फिल्म्स जो एक लार्ज स्क्रीन पे आप देख सकते हो. एंड आई थिंक एक संजय गुप्ता फिल्म, संजय गुप्ता फिल्म्स आर फिल्म्स दैट यू हैव टू वॉच ऑन बिग स्क्रीन. तो थैंकफुली वी आर कमिंग इन द थिएटर.
हाय, उमेश शुक्ला, न्यूज़ 24 से. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, मुंबई सागा की पूरी टीम को कॉन्ग्रेचुलेशन. काफी धमाकेदार ट्रेलर आया है, और 1 साल बाद हम भी थिएटर में आप लोग से फिर मुलाकात कर रहे हैं. संजय सर, आपसे सवाल है, जैसे कि आपने पहले ही जिक्र किया कि ये बहुत बड़ा रिस्क है, तो किस तरह के मतलब चैलेंजेस को फेस करने के लिए क्या कुछ आपकी प्रिपरेशन है? दूसरी तरफ कहीं ना कहीं और पोस्टपोन किया जा सकता था फिल्म को, क्योंकि काफी बड़ी बड़ी और भी फिल्में हैं जो अब तक रिलीज होने की उनकी कहा जाए रिलीज डेट अनाउंस नहीं हुई, जो कि काफी पहले हो सकती थी. तो आपने कई बार ये ख्याल आया जहन में कि और पोस्टपोन किया जा सकता है फिल्म को रिलीज से?
नहीं, एक्चुअली देखिए, किसी को तो शुरुआत करनी होगी. somebody has to take the first step, and since my producer was willing to do it, and he said nahi, we are confident of the film, and I think we are more confident of our audience, which hasn't really had a release. I mean, they haven't had a release in over a year, and like we're all saying it's a big screen experience, and we have spoken to all the major distributors, exhibitors, taken their opinions, और उन्होंने भी आगे पूरी तैयारियां की हुई है, प्रोटोकॉल्स फॉलो किए हुए हैं, जैसे अब यहाँ भी देख रहे हैं. सो वो कॉन्फिडेंस तो है, एंड nowhere have we heard that any theater is a hotbed. You know, so that is not the case. People are coming into malls, into stadiums. So why not theaters?
Even South.
And the South has started. The theaters over there are full. People are coming. They're maintaining protocol, and you know, we have to come back to normalcy.
Exactly. John here, John. जैसा कि आप जब आते हैं स्क्रीन पे एक दहाड़ होती है, कहा जाए अभी हम जब ट्रेलर देख रहे थे हमें मन्या सुरवे की याद आ रही थी, कहीं ना कहीं बहुत सिमिलर हमें नजर आ रहा था कि कहीं ना कहीं वही टीका वही दहाड़. आप पर्सनली कितना डिफरेंस देखते हैं दोनों कैरेक्टर्स में?
नहीं, इसमें कॉन्फ्लिक्ट भी है. इमरान का जो कैरेक्टर है उसके साथ बहुत बड़ा कॉन्फ्लिक्ट है. आई थिंक दैट्स द फिल्म. लेकिन एक गैंगस्टर फिल्म है और जो रियल लाइफ में हुआ था वही हम लोग डिपिक्ट कर रहे हैं.
Indian Express.
Hello. Can I? Please go ahead.
Yeah. My question is to all the filmmakers on this stage today. After the whole COVID situation and now that films have started coming in the theaters, is there going to be a change in the way films were promoted? Films, you know, the whole the way there was competition and clash and all, even your film is clashing with another film. Do you think there will be more understanding between filmmakers and, you know, there will be some kind of mutual, like, you know, pushing each other to bring their film out in a better way?
May I answer this, please? I'd like to answer this, please, yes. You know, first of all, for almost about a year, watching films at home on OTT, watching various other content from across the world on OTT has had its advantages and also has given this unanimous feeling, oh, we want to get out there and we want to have the real experience of watching a film. So really hats off to Bhushan Kumar, Sanjay Gupta, John Abraham, Imran Hashmi, all of them who have a larger stake in releasing this film in March at a 50% capacity. The producers of the film, two ladies, you know, and everyone. So these, you know, like very gutsy, courageous filmmakers, entertainers have taken this step to release the film and show everyone, first of all, that we care for the audiences, like accepting a 50% capacity for a financier, for a producer, for a hero, for everybody, is a very, very, very big step because the numbers are going to be counted. But we want to make sure that people are healthy, people are enjoying the film, number one. And with OTT, you know, we all have respect for OTT. OTT is here to stay. It's going to be an integral part of our life. But when you release a film, there's no festivity. There's no celebration. There's no noise. There's no getting together of people. There's nothing like this that you get called and you say, "Arey yaar, maine teri picture dekhi. Arey, what fantastic. Kya trailer hai. Kya maza hai." That festivity was missing. Publicity was missing. The excitement was missing. So therefore, all that will come back. And the competition amongst producers, there's no competition at the moment. They are all wanting to get to a theater somehow or the other. People will make way for others. People will celebrate the success of other producers. Like I would say, Bhushan Kumar, Sanjay Gupta, John Abraham, Imran Hashmi, these people have larger stake. They will literally be called the pioneers of bringing cinema back to the screen. Thank you very much.
Thanks, Guruji.
Your perspective to this answer also, because you are the ones who are releasing this film. So John, Bhushan ji, if you could.
Sorry?
So my question was that is the whole the trend, the way we promote our films and all, is it going to change? Because, you know, there are going to be clashes, there is going to be a lot of competitiveness also. But is there a lesson that we've learned from the pandemic that here we need to hold each other's hands and encourage each other in this way, a production house with other, when it comes to releasing a film? So,
See, I guess that thing happens always. Means if a film is coming on a same date of another banner, there is a business cut. But at this point of time, people are taking this in a very positive way. Even other producers who are releasing the film and even the theatre owners, because they want to give more variety to the to the audiences for them to get excited to come back to theatre. So this thing now is like when I was speaking to the theatre owners, they were saying कि अभी जितनी फिल्में एक डेट पे आ सकती हैं आनी चाहिए, so that more and more people can come to the theatres. So I think everybody is holding hands and going forward, whether it's exhibitors or other producers of the industry. So this thing definitely what you are trying to ask means the new normal is that this only we have to hold hands and go together.
Bhushan sir, one more question over here.
Yeah.
So, over the last 1 year, a lot of single screens have shut down, and, there has been a definite reduction in screen count as well. So, what sort of release plans can we expect this time around for Mumbai Saga, considering the screen count has gone down?
See, the way the time is passing, the screens are opening up. The way we have announced, like I have announced 3 days back, for the whole year, we have announced 8 to 9 films of T-series releasing this year. So that is giving confidence. Yashraj has announced their slate of films. Dharma Production is announcing their slate of films. So all these things are giving confidence to all these single screen which are opening up as we are talking. So we definitely hope by the time our release date is coming, more and more screens will be opened and we will come in a maximum number of screens.
Is there any number you have?
See, right now it's very difficult to commit any number. Means yesterday John was also asking me what are the screen count number. But we are definitely working on it. Every day it's happening. More than us, theatre owner want their screen to be open and to be working. So let's hope for the best. We will get maximum number of screens soon.
And one more question I have for John. John, over the last, you have established yourself as an action star. How easy or difficult is it for you to differentiate in terms of action with every passing film?
Yeah, it's tough because I feel my bones are breaking. But yeah, I'm trying to do different action in different films. Like this has got very raw action. It's got a conflict with Imran's character. Then Attack, which is another film, has got very different futuristic action. So yeah, it's difficult, but I enjoy that space. It's like for some actors, they love dancing. For me, action is my dance, so I enjoy that space. It's like an item song for me.
मेरा सवाल संजय जी से, संजय सर आपको आवाज सुनाई दे रही है, उतना काफी है मेरे लिए. संजय जी, कास्टिंग प्लेज अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट पार्ट, और जो दिग्गज हमारे रूबरू हैं, जॉन डजंट नीड एनी इंट्रोडक्शन, इमरान को भी किसी तारुफ की जरूरत नहीं. कास्टिंग किस बिना पे की? और जॉन, मुझे आपसे भी पूछना है कि जो 10 मिनट आपने इमरान ने बात करी, वो क्या बात करी? You called up from London to Sanjay and this is your plan, Mumbai Saga. This is what Sanjay said.
No,
10 मिनट बात हुई थी. टाइम ड्यूरेशन पता नहीं है.
Time duration नहीं. No, that was a.
आई थिंक बहुत सारे कॉन्वर्सेशंस चालू थे लॉकडाउन के टाइम पर. हम सब बहुत ही एंग्शियस थे कि इस फिल्म को किस किस्म की रिलीज मिलेगी. ये एक यूनानिमस वोट था सब लोगों का कि ऑब्वियसली क्योंकि ये एक बिग स्क्रीन एक्सपीरियंस है कि ये छोटे स्क्रीन पर रिलीज ना हो. पहले ऐसा नहीं है कि इसका मज़ा टेलीविजन पे नहीं आ सकता है. द नैरेटिव इज फैंटास्टिक, बट it's a quintessential Sanjay Gupta film. I mean, it's a big screen experience. The visuals, sound, narrative, larger than life characters. It just, lends itself more to this screen.
And I think you were asking about the casting.
Yes.
I was a little confused about that. No, so the casting of actually any of my films is really, really simple. I work with friends. So everybody over here is very, very close friends of mine. And yes, I'm totally biased to them. And I just say, boss, we're making a film. And yeah, just and Amy had made a new friend with this film also. I can very proudly say that I have somebody for life. So yeah, that's it. And John is a brother. I mean, we've worked in the past, we work in the future. And yeah, it's casting for me is a level of comfort.
Hello guys, Shravan here from Miss Manni. The trailer looks fab, and Sanjay sir, I want to ask you this, that it took you 8 years to come back to the gangster genre. What is the kind of preparation that goes into making a gangster genre, and are you ever skeptical to make a gangster genre again?
No, I'm not at all. And nothing really goes into it. I mean, it's the challenge each time is how will I do it differently this time. That's the only challenge. I mean, how how my hero is going to look, and what is the pace of the film, what's the narrative style of the film, what will be the visual dimensions of the film, the sound design. I mean, that is something that's a challenge that one keeps throwing at yourself every time, and then you cross that bridge when you get to it.
Bhushan sir.